How to stop ads on Chrome without any extensions on Android. This tutorial shows you how to block pop-ups and intrusive ads directly from Chrome settings on your Android device. First, open the Google Chrome app on your Android device. After that, tap on the three dots at the top right corner to open the menu. From there, tap on Settings to open Chrome Settings. At this point, scroll down and tap on Site Settings. In the next step, scroll down and under the Content section, tap on Pop-ups and Redirects. Following this, if it's currently set to allow pop-ups, select Don't allow sites to send pop-ups and use redirects to block them. Once done, go back to Site Settings and tap on Intrusive Ads. From here, if it's currently set to allow ads on any site you visit, select the second option to block intrusive ads from appearing. Finally, go back to Chrome and browse normally. Pop-ups and intrusive ads will now be blocked without needing any third-party extensions. And that's it. If this Chrome guide helped you block ads without any extensions, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.